Okay, we're gonna go out and we're gonna test fly this little test hover, the tiny little Tyro89 that we built on the live stream. I got it all together. We're gonna just take it outside, and nothing through the goggles. We're just gonna make sure that it does hover and everything is hooked up right. It's a little breezy out here this morning, but I think this will handle it. So I don't need the goggles or anything. All I need is the transmitter, and let's just see what happens. It is a little breezy out here. Way too breezy to fly this thing, but as far as just making sure that it gets off the ground and doesn't flip out, should be okay. So let's turn on the radio here.
Welcome to OpenTX. Switch warning.
Everything is ready. Now let's plug in the battery. There we go. Set this little puppy down here and we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm in the angle mode. Spins up. There it goes. Whoa, look at that. It does hover. Cool. Oh, it's bouncing around in that wind, that's for sure. Very cool. Not the best of days for this. Very quiet. Can't even hear the thing, hardly. Needs a little accelerometer trim, but I'm not going to do it on a windy day like this. Well, I missed the landing pad, but that's okay. Well, it actually flies and looks pretty good. Got my antennas mounted on tie wraps from the arms here, and put a different battery strap. I didn't like the battery strap that it came with, but everything seems to work okay. So that is what I wanted to accomplish this morning. Just to see if it flies. A little bit of line of sight in the stabilized mode, and as soon as we get a halfway decent day with a little less wind than today, we'll throw the goggles on, take this thing out, and we'll fly it. That's what it looks like, all finished. Cute little thing. Got a 450 milliamp 3 cell on it, and the Free Sky RXSR receiver. As you can see here, I put a tie wrap around the, let's get this in the sunlight here. There it is. I put a tie wrap around the video transmitter, and then I tied another tie wrap to it vertically and heat shrink the little VTX antenna to it, which makes it still flexible. If it happens to land upside down, it won't hurt anything, but it'll keep that little antenna from getting sucked down into the propellers. So there it is. The Tyro89 little kit. Pretty neat.